Got it.
In progress. Got it. Okay, dude.
Okay, Viraj. Now we will move to the next topic, that is tangram. Have you heard this word tangram?
No.
No. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, now tell me, have you arranged protractor and compass?
No, ma'am.
Oh, when you will arrange? Our last topic is we have to do with protractor and compass, right?
Maybe I can arrange it by next class on Monday.
Okay, sure. Okay. Okay, now, what is tangram? Tangram is an old Chinese puzzle. Okay, it has.
Oh yeah, I have tangram. I have tangram. I have the tangram game.
Remember tangram?
Yeah, I have the tangram game. Yeah, I make all sorts of. I used to make all sorts of stuff with it.
Okay.
Yeah, I just
Okay.
remember that I had
Can I make
tangram.
tangram for you? It's a square, first of all. It's a big square.
Yeah, it has a big wooden square in it.
Yes. First,
And
it's
then the pieces
first of
will
all,
go
we
to.
will make. Okay, I'll tell you how to make tangram. It's your homework that you can make tangram at home. I'll share one screen with you. Okay, as a homework, you can just copy it and make tangram at home.
I know how to make a tangram.
You know how to make a tangram?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me how many triangles are there in a tangram?
6 triangles.
Okay.
I don't remember the quantity. I think five triangles because I also have 2 squares, I think.
No. There is one square and one parallelogram. Parallelogram is like this. Having diagonal.
Oh yeah, I have that.
Yes.
Yeah, I have
It's a
that.
parallelogram. Okay, see how to make triangle. Make a square, big square. We will just simply separate it half it between 2 parts, 2 equal parts. So we will make one diagonal line between the square. The next, so now we will get 2 triangles.
Yes.
Okay, now what we will do? We will do from the upper side. Also make divide it into 2 parts.
Yes.
Again, now it's make how many triangles are now?
3.
3 triangles. Okay.
Yes.
We will separate it till this. Now what we will do? We will make one more diagonal line over here. Again, we will get one more triangle.
Yes.
How many triangles now we get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Now what we will do? I'll make one more diagonal line and touch this line. What I'll get? I'll get one more triangle and one more and one square.
Yes. Yes. Can I bring my triangle?
Yes, bring it. The last line, I'll put it over here.
Just want to leave the 4 minutes now just to touch on Picker so we understand what he's saying. But so for strap factors, question in my mind is, does it we're all in alignment, leave the 4, 6 out? And the question simply is, current protocol has geography in there. Do we want to default to that or go to default? That's the key question. For Picker, what information do you need, Chris?
I'm not sure there's anything for BLC as such, although they might ask the question about our strategy in terms of when there's a patient elementary.
Did you guys give any info for like? So we've got around about like how the process is where.
Old Chinese puzzle. So I got some.
Viraj, Viraj.
Anji,
Sitting there is the process.
maybe it's supply value.
Viraj, it's okay if you're not getting it. Come back.
I just found it.
Okay.
Mom, I'll be back. I have to go to the washroom. Back, mom. Okay.
Sorry.
Mom, I'm back.
Okay. Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes, mom, it is.
Okay. There are 5 triangles.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. 4 and 5. So 5 triangles, 1 square, and 1 parallelogram.
Yes,
Okay. Is it visible to you?
mom.
Yes. It's very good. Okay. I'll show you one more thing. Wait. I'll share my screen with you.
I just found it in my supply bag that I used to keep my old stuff in. I just found it in there quickly.
Okay. Wait, I'll share my screen with you.
And I can make other stuff out of it as well.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry I can't able to share my screen with you because this is not my link to join today.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I'll
But
share in the group. I'll share in the WhatsApp group. So,
wait, mom, I wanted to show you something.
okay, show me.
Hey, mom, give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Almost done. Okay, mom. Look at this. I just whipped this up very quickly. I don't know if it's going to be.
Yes, what the same I told you. With these 7 shapes, cut out of these 7 shapes, you can make so many other shapes also.
Yes. This is I have 4 different types. I have 4 different types of shape in this one. 5
Yes.
actually. This is the main, and these are all the normal ones. I can make a house, a duck, a
Yes.
ship, cat,
This is a
dog.
puzzle. This is a puzzle called tangram. It has 5 triangles, 1 square, and 1 parallelogram. And with these 7 shapes, you can make so many other things also.
I know that.
You know better because you also have that at home.
Yes, I played this in India many times as well. I made different shapes out of it.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Viraj. Now class is over, so please try to arrange protector and compass for the next session. So our chapter will complete after that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share homework with you till this topic, and the rest of the topic, last 2 topics will left now of this chapter. That is
Now,
to make which we will so for that we'll need protector and compass. Okay, only last 2 topics left now.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, and even think about which chapter you want to do after this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
maybe I'll prefer to do decimal chapter because I think you may got difficulty while doing decimals.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
You found difficulty while doing decimals now. So in next chapter we will do decimals.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Viraj. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Hello, sir. Are you there? Oh, I think recording is on. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. So the meeting ends now.
Ma'am.
Okay, sir.
So-
Then now tell me what